give. So now let us go with the concepts. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Paint. My screen is not shared yet, I think. 1 second.
Yeah, it's not.
Okay. I think now it is shared, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. So you guys know what do you mean by black box testing definition? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Black box testing means we need to check the functionality of an application.
Yeah.
So what do you mean by functionality of an application? Means if you are clicking something, if you are behaving, I mean, if you are doing some functionality, clicking or opening something or something, okay? For that action, your application will react. It will show some behavior. So we need to check that, okay? So we need to check the functionality or behavior of an application.
I'm so
How-
sorry to interrupt, sir.
Yeah.
Your screen is not recording. Now it's recording. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
So functionality or behavior both are same. Okay. Functionality means how the application will work. It is a standard word. Behavior means normal English. Testing the behavior of an application and check whether according to the customer requirement specification. Or testing the functionality of an application, check whether according to the customer requirement specification is called as again black box testing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So this you guys already understood. Okay.
Yes,
Now
sir.
let us know the types. Okay. Types of functionality or black box testing. There are many types. In that, basically, first type is functional testing. See, that is functionality testing. This is functional testing. Functional testing is a part of functionality testing or component testing.
Oh,
Okay.
yes, sir.
So here only there is an answer. Component testing. So, sir, can you tell me what are the components available? Okay. What do you mean by components? Let me go to website. Okay. Let me go to the Facebook. Temporary blocked. Hey, boy. I'm temporarily blocked. Okay, see here. Components means what? Okay. This complete thing is a page. Okay. Page is one of the component.
Okay.
You are seeing something projected outside from the page. Got it? This we will call it as a pop-up.
Pop-up.
See, this is a pop-up.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
There is something called as first name. Got it, guys? This first name, what we'll call it as a, 1 second. It is better if I type here also. Okay. So what are the components? Where is the editor? Shit. 1 second. So let us see. There is a page. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
And pop up. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
You can see here, if I click on here, something is there.
Correct.
Your cursor is dim and dipping.
Yes, sir.
Name. Okay. If I type something, The
Mhm.
background, there was something called as first name, it is going off.
Yes.
It means it is called as a placeholder. What is that?
Placeholder. Okay.
Holder. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This is a text field.
Text
What
field,
is that?
correct.
Yeah,
Hmm.
that is a
Text field.
text. FIELD, text field. Okay.
Hmm.
So if assume this box is very large, okay,
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
like in a mail, if you want to compose a mail, no,
Hmm.
there will be a big field, or in your WhatsApp chat box is
Mm-hmm.
there, no,
Yes, sir. Yes,
that
sir.
is what we'll call it as a text area field.
Mm-hmm.
Text area field. Okay.
Oh, okay.
If you see some arrow which is downside or right side or above, below, no, this is
Mm-hmm.
called as drop down. Sir, it
Correct.
is showing up, no, drop up or no. There is no component called as drop up, okay?
Okay.
Always there will be drop down. Since I
Mm-hmm.
minimized my screen, it is coming up. See here?
Mm-hmm.
No. See, always it will
Yes.
be a drop down, okay?
Drop down. Hmm.
Here there is a male, female, some button.
Hmm.
This is what we will we will call it as a radio button,
Mm-hmm.
okay?
Yes, sir.
And this is what something highlighted in a green color, no? This is green
Uh-huh.
color or which color?
Green, sir.
Green, huh? Sure.
Yes. Yes, sir.
So this green color thing is called as button. See, if I click on this thing, no, some
Oh,
action is happening. So
okay.
this is just button, not a radio button. This is a button.
Button.
Okay. And
Yes.
here,
Mm-hmm.
this is all already have an account.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, what is this, sir? It is in a
Mm-hmm.
blue color. This is a link.
Link. Mm-hmm.
How can we differentiate link and button means there is a color. So you can
Mm-hmm.
aramse differentiate. Sometime what will happen, it will be also in a white color.
Mm-hmm.
So how can you differentiate means if you move a cursor, no,
Mm-hmm.
see a cursor, it is changing into a hand symbol.
Correct.
Okay. Since
Mm-hmm.
there is a wording over here, but I am very much far from that wording, but still it is converting into hand symbol means it is a
Mm-hmm.
button. But here, see, this is button a
Oh.
link. How will you understand? See, I am about to touch when my cursor is about to touch. That time only it is converting into hand symbol.
Mm-hmm.
It means it is a link. Got it? Assume before only here only it is converted into hand symbol. Then it is called as a what? Button. There is one
Oh.
more thing how to understand. You need to click on inspect. Okay.
Hmm.
Href means link.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is while doing Selenium, you will understand. See, if you click on inspect, see button.
Mm-hmm.
Got it? Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
like that. So you have seen many components over here. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Similarly,
Yes.
we have something called as icon.
Mm-hmm.
Here there is icon. No?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Got it?
Mm-hmm. Yes, sir.
Similarly, you can find some icons in some applications as well.
Mm-hmm.
There will be arrow buttons, right arrow, left arrow, down arrow. If you want to go down, you need to click here. Can you
Uh-huh.
see? Here, see? Up
Yes,
arrow.
sir. Yes, sir.
Here there is
Yeah.
a down arrow.
Uh-huh.
And this is a scroll bar.
Uh-huh.
Got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Down arrow. Like that, down, left, right, everything will be there. Okay. These are few components.
Mm-hmm.
Let me take an example and explain you now. Okay.
Okay.
Functional testing means
Mm-hmm.
always you should test the components, This
Oh.
pop-up is working, placeholder is there, text field is working properly, drop down is working properly, radio buttons, links, icons, scroll bar, down arrow, up arrow, and all, etc., etc. There are many components. Got it? So
Yes.
all these components are working or not. Okay, we need to test. So what do I mean by functional testing means? I can tell testing each and every component of an application thoroughly or rigorously according to the or against the
Okay.
customer requirement specifications. Got it, guys? Testing
Yes, sir.
each
Yeah.
and every
Yeah.
component. It means you understood that you need to test one component.
Component. Yes, sir.
First you need to test one component. Next, you need to test another component because each and every component. It means all components one by one you need to test.
Correct.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thoroughly or rigorously. What do you mean by thoroughly or rigorously? Thoroughly or rigorously means entering the inputs according to the customer requirement specification and also against the customer requirement specifications
Okay.
is called as thorough or rigorous
Okay.
testing. Okay.
Okay.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
what do we mean by according to the customer requirement specification and against the customer requirement specification? According to the customer requirement specification means positive inputs. Okay.
Yes,
Against
sir.
the customer requirement specification means negative inputs.
Yes.
It means you should enter both the positive and negative inputs.
Negative.
Entering the inputs positive and negative is also called as thorough and rigorous testing.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Yeah.
So it is called as your black box testing. I think I already told you it is called as closed box testing. Closed box testing means what? The code is not visible for us. Okay.
Right. Right.
So this is one of the point, and it is done by the test engineers. I think these notes I have already given. No.
Yes, sir. In the last class, you started introducing the black box testing, sir.
Yes.
With,
Yes. That time I have given some definition.
You gave
Screenshot.
us a definition.
Yeah.
Yes. So you can tell it is closed box testing. Next one note point you write down. It is called as closed box testing because the code is not visible.
It's the closed box testing. Cost is not
Visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
It is done by the test engineer once after the software is developed. Next point, it is done by the test engineers once after the software is developed.
The test engineers once after the software is developed. Yes, sir. Done.
Next heading, functional testing or component testing.
Okay.
Write down important, IMP.
Is there any way, sir, you can provide the written definitions?
Here it is there, no?
Oh, that's okay. Okay. So we are going to copy that sentence.
You need to copy.
Okay. All right. No problem.
1 second, wait. I will check my notes and I will give you black box testing. Testing or
Thank you.
verifying the functionality or behavior of an application against the custom. Against means what, sir? Against means by
Negative.
entering the negative inputs or
Hmm.
according. It is not like always negative. It means both positive and negative also. Okay. See, it is done by the test
Okay.
engineers. Why
Uh-huh.
it is called as black box testing? Since the code is
Not
not visible.
visible. Yes, sir.
How to do black box testing? A test engineer will not look into the source code because
Uh-huh.
code is not visible for us.
Correct.
Wherein test engineer will open the application or software
Uh-huh.
and
Uh-huh.
test the functionality of an application.
Okay.
Uh-huh.
Okay. What he will do, he'll test the functionality of an application.
So
Mhm.
you count the black box testing definition from paragraph
Yeah.
number 2
Yeah.
and 3, right, sir?
Yes.
Okay.
So next, let us go with the black box testing. Okay.
Mhm.
You can
So
see.
that was the definition for black box, right, sir?
No, yeah, this is functional testing.
Okay. All right. Sounds good. Thank you.
So types of black box testing, in that first one is functional testing directly or component testing, feature
Mhm.
testing or module testing. What is this feature testing, module testing? I will teach you later. Later I will explain. Now you
Okay.
understood component testing means what?
Yes.
Same.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
So just copy down or take a
Okay.
screenshot.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, so you mean to start the definition from testing each and every component of the
Yes.
application? It starts
Yeah.
from there?
Yes.
Okay.
Mhm. Yes, sir. Done.
Application rigorously or thoroughly against the customer requirement specification, or you can write according to the customer requirement specification. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
both are same. Next, components. Just note down
Yeah.
text field, text area field, button, link, radio button, drop down, checkbox. Checkbox I already told you guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Scroll bar, major tabs, minor tabs, grids, widget, right arrow button, icons, etc. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay. So thorough, I think this note's only better. That is more depth. So testing each and every component of an application thoroughly or rigorously according to the customer requirement specification is called as black box testing.
Black box testing. Yeah.
No, it is called as functional testing.
Oh,
Or
yes. The functional
component
or
test.
the component testing. Yes, sir.
Yes. Entering the inputs according to the customer requirement specification and also against the customer requirement specification is called as thorough or rigorous testing.
Correct, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, done?
Yes.
Both of you.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now there is one important point. What we need to do is we need to types of. First, let us know requirement. Okay. Till today, you guys heard about only the name called as requirement. See, guys, requirement document is not easy to get or to analyze. To get means what, sir? I'm teaching you Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube, or Gmail, or something. No, For every application, there is a requirement which is collected by the business analyst. So always getting a requirement. One second. Always getting requirement is, we will not get the requirement first of all. Get requirement from many companies because it is a confidential document.
Oh, okay.
Got it? This is confidential.
Yes, sir.
No companies will give their requirements for you. I can tell, boss, I am teaching Prerana and Reena, please give me a requirement. I will show to them. Later, I will return back to you. They will tell Nikal. यहाँ से निकाल. What do you mean by यहाँ से निकाल? Leave this place and get lost.
Go from here.
Yeah. You know Hindi?
Yeah. I know Hindi, Gujarati, and English. You can
Oh,
talk to me in all three languages.
you are Indian. Okay. I thought you were you born and brought up there itself.
I'm in USA for past 20 years.
Oh, okay. Full dollars. We are fighting for rupees. You are enjoying with dollars. Nice.
See,
Not enjoying.
I always tell people, who is in India, people in India spend in rupees. In USA, people spend in dollar. So it's almost same thing.
Yes. Yeah, obviously, how much you will learn, that much they will take.
Yep. And amount of tax and insurance we pay here, it's a lot.
Okay. And also, the cost of living is more, no?
Yeah, it's very high. And everything is so expensive.
But iPhones are very cheap.
I'm sorry?
Compared to iPhones are cheap. Compared to any other country.
You think so?
Yeah, obviously.
How much is iPhone 15 in India right now?
It may be more than 1 lakh.
Okay, so here is $1,000.
Means how much? 80,000. 86,000 almost.
Almost 86.
Okay, so let us come to topic now. A requirement, we will not get the requirement and it is confidential. But still I need to teach you. Without teaching requirement, I mean, you will not understand.
Right.
So let me go for something. Gmail SRS. There is some scope or definition. Oh, by queue this much ads. Okay, they have given us some requirement. I don't want you to confuse this much. So I will take a simple example. I got my simple example. See, SRS for Gmail account creation. The customer is, the developer, what he need to do, he need to look into this SRS and he need to write the code. And test engineer, he need to look into the requirement and he need to test the software. Okay.
Correct. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So there is 1.1. Okay. There is something called as change language. See, this is bold letters means that is a component name. See here, change language
Yeah.
is there.
Oh.
What happened? Here, change language. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So when the user click on arrow button, it means there is one arrow button. Got it?
Yeah.
List should be
Yeah.
displayed.
Correct.
The selected item should be displayed and highlighted. Since it is language, okay, as a developer and as a test engineer, we will understand that if you click here, all the languages in the world should come here. Since it is Google, no, all the languages in the world.
Correct.
Let
Yes,
me
sir.
take it as an Indian application. All the languages in India should display here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Right.
And
Yeah.
if you click on some language, it should select.
Mm-hmm.
That is what my requirement says. Next, first name text field is there. Our first name is there. First name is there. So first name should accept alphabets, numericals, and characters.
Okay.
Okay.
But here, see here, when user click on arrow button, it means we understood something is there, button is there. But here, there is some knowledge we should have. As a
Correct.
fresher, you will not understand this. First name means what? First name text field. They need to mention something called as first name text field. Why text field?
Because it is a box in which you have to enter your
Yeah,
name.
it is a component. It is not a box or something. You need to use specific words. Okay.
Okay, sir.
It is a text field and where I can enter my data. See here, 1.2 means one. Let me take this page. In that second component is first name. In that 1.2.1 should accept alphanumerical characters. Means it should accept alphabets and numbers and characters. It means entire keyboard, whatever you are seeing on your keyboard, no, entire thing it can accept. Should
Okay.
accept special characters. Special characters means again dot, comma, dollar symbol, at the rate, hashtag, percentage. Got it? Those are called as
Yes, sir.
special characters. Again, they have given should not accept blank space. Got it, guys? It means space. I told space is also a component because it will occupy some space, some memory allocation. But here, see, this is what requirement says. It should not accept space means it should not accept. Next, should accept characters between 1 to 100. It means they have 1 to 200. They have given some limit. Minimum it should accept 1 and maximum it should accept 200.
Yes.
And can start with a blank space. It means first one, first component or a first input can be a space. Got it? So
Yes.
let me teach you what is that. There is a page, okay, which is consist of username,
Okay.
Always, if you want to test any component, if you want to test any component, if you want to develop any component, okay,
Okay.
always requirement should be there.
Okay.
So what do you mean by requirement? They're telling that username is a text field. Got it, guys? Username is a text field. So component name, let me take username is a text field. Username alt. Okay. First username. This I will take it as a 1, component number 1. username text field. This is how the requirement is looking. So first component I understood is username text field. There is a text field. The name should be username. Assume that the customer is given U capital, okay, and N capital. There is a space between them. Here, developer developed small letter username. It is also a defect.
Oh.
Right.
Got it? So
Right.
username shift username is a text field. This is a 1.1.
Okay.
Got it, guys?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Next,
Yeah.
1.2. The requirement is telling that username text field. I'm using all the shortcuts, okay? Should
Yeah.
accept 2 let me take minimum 100 characters. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Okay.
characters. Okay, next 1 point. I will teach only one. Later you need to understand. 1.3. Username text field should accept numbers, alphabets, and characters and special characters too. Got it, guys?
Yes,
It
sir.
should accept special character. It means these are the inputs I can provide. Next requirement says it should not accept what? It should not accept blank
Space.
space. But in one more requirement says that
The first character can be a space.
first character we can use space. For the first character we can use the space. Got it?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Understood?
Yeah.
Sometimes, see guys, this is my requirement. I will add 1.6. First name text field should have or should consist of placeholder stating enter your name. So what do you mean by placeholder? See here there is something called as enter your name. Got it? When you type something inside this will get vanish. That is what we'll call it as a placeholder.
Okay.
Got it? I
Correct.
already
Yes,
guided
sir.
you. Okay.
Yes,
Right.
yes.
Next
Yeah.
1.7 says that it is a mandatory text field. Sir, what do you mean by mandatory text field? You can see something called as a star over here, like this. Have you seen this type of components?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is mandatory symbol. So guys, this is what we'll call it as a requirement.
Okay.
Okay.
This is what we'll call it as a requirement. If you want to test any software, anything, you want to have a requirement. Okay. There is something called as a last name. Okay. Desired login. What is desired login? Something is there, should accept alpha numericals and period, it means dot, should not accept special characters, should not accept blank, should accept characters between 6 to 30.
Mhm.
It means minimum 6 characters
Mhm.
and maximum up to 30 characters. Okay. Can
Mhm.
start with a blank space. Okay.
Mhm.
Got it? It means
Yes.
the
Yeah.
requirement. Normal English.
Yeah.
Say check
Yeah.
availability button. There is one button.
Mhm.
Check availability. Here you can see there is a button.
Yeah.
When user enter the data in desired login edit field, if the data is present in the database, it should display error message. Sir, what do you mean by this?
Mhm.
Assume I have given my first name as Narsimha. Okay.
Mhm.
Mhm.
Already there is a user Narsimha present in the database.
Yes.
Somebody else, Narsimha is there.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
I'm clicking on check the availability. It means this name is available. Check.
Mhm.
Narsimha@123. If you try to create one mail ID, no, it will suggest you this name is already taken.
Mhm.
This name is already taken means what? It is
You
already
cannot
present
use
in
that.
the database. So that is what he is telling. When
Yes, sir.
user enter the data in desired login in edit field,
Mhm.
if the data is present in the database, it should display error message with some suggestion. With some suggestion means already the user is present. That is what you will call it as a some suggestion. Again, the suggestion will vary from one component to another component. Got it? So
Yes, sir.
all the things, everything can be modified here. So when user enters the data in desired login edit field, if the data is not present in the database, it should display the data entered is available. It means you can take Narsimha @ 123. I have entered something. So it is telling me that it are in a green color or something, no? Valid. Something should be displayed. That is what he is telling.
Okay.
Okay. Next, choose a
Okay.
password. Should accept alphanumerical characters. It means alphabets and numbers. It will accept. Should also accept the special character. Special character means everything on your keyboard.
Yes,
Special
sir.
characters means numbers also, alphabets
Yes.
also, everything.
Okay.
Yes.
And special characters also. Should
Yes.
not accept a blank space. Space is, since space is also a special character, but he is telling it should not accept the blank space. Next, should accept characters between 8 to 100. Your password, no, if you give 1 as a password, it will take a, it will ask you to enter something more. If you enter 6 words, no, it will again ask minimum 8 words is required or 8 characters is required or something like that. Okay. After entering it, it will accept. No need of worrying. Or if you enter 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, it will tell you your password is too weak. Understood. Use some special
Right.
characters.
Right.
Yes.
Getting what I'm telling?
Yeah.
Right.
Yes, yes. So you are now you are starting to think, no? Oh, this is requirement. It is coming into your mind, no?
Right.
Okay. This is requirement. Can
Yes.
start with a blank space again. Password also, first you can give a blank page. See, password strength again. For 1 to 4 characters of mixed characters, numbers and special characters. It means here, at least each and everything. One is uppercase, one is small case, one is alphabet, one is numerical, and one is special character. Everything mixture should be there, or else it will tell it should display too short.
What?
Right.
If you enter only 4, no, that time it will tell too short.
Right.
See, if you enter only a 1 to 7, this is what I already explained you. It should display as weak. Getting only
Yes, sir.
entered 1, 2, 3, 4, or only entered a
Yes.
for 1 to 8 character mixed letters like A, B, C, D, 1, 2, 3. Fair. Why fair means uppercase is there and numericals is there and lowercase is there. It means it is okay. And also 8 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Minimum my requirement is telling what? 8. No? Fair. Why fair it is showing means you haven't used the special character over here.
Mm-hmm.
Assume you mixed everything, capital letter and also the small letters and also the numbers, special characters. You will
Mm-hmm.
get a strong.
Mm-hmm.
Understood? So
Yes, sir.
everything is mentioned in the requirement.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
Everything is mentioned in the requirement.
Requirement.
So once you get a time, no, you can go through this. I will add this your link URL 1 second. I will give this URL for you guys in the chat box.
Okay, sir.
You just keep that and you just analyze it. Okay.
Yes,
In
sir.
the simple English, you can understand that.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So this is what a requirement. So now you guys are understood that okay, getting requirement is easy. Like I can go to Google and I can get the requirement.
Mm-hmm.
But if you take a Facebook as an example,
Mm-hmm.
or you take something, let me take an example of one of the application. Found it. It is a job portal, okay?
Okay.
Like your LinkedIn.
Mm-hmm.
So let me click on register. See here. Again, I will tell you. This is what if you are moving your cursor onto the application one of the component, you are
Mm-hmm.
getting uh, some other
Options.
features or
Mm-hmm.
options. This is
Mm-hmm.
drop down menu bar. This is a
Mm-hmm.
menu.
Right.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Right.
And without clicking only you are getting something means it is a menu bar. Okay. Drop down menu bar.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Login button, register button.
Mm-hmm.
See here, background is also white color. I told you already. And the
Mm-hmm.
name, there is a name. This is a button
Yes.
because see, it is
Right.
converting before touching only. Or you
Mm-hmm.
can inspect.
Right.
There is a button. Got it?
Mm-hmm.
Right.
Yes.
So this is a search by job, company, or
Mm-hmm.
skills. This is what? This is a ah, what is that? Search by job, company, or skills. What is that? Placeholder. What is that?
Placeholder.
Placeholder.
Placeholder. This
Yes.
is search. What is this?
Search.
Icon. Search
Search
icon.
icon.
Search icon, but still it is 1 second. Yeah, this is the icon. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
This location is icon.
Mm-hmm.
This is what? This is what?
Drop down.
Yes, this is drop down. What is this?
Scroll bar.
Scroll bar.
Very good. This is what?
Down arrow.
Yes. What is this?
Search button.
Button.
But
This is
where? Okay. Uh,
You're talking about
Found.
background or the letters?
no. What component it is?
Is it button, sir?
No, no, no.
It's a.
Image. But it is a link,
Okay.
guys. Okay. See here,
It's a link.
HTTPS media. Okay, that is a link. So
Oh.
only see my cursor is about to touch that. That time only it is converting.
Mm-hmm.
Got it?
Right.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
banking, these things and all components. Okay. This is again drop down. This is icon. Okay.
Right. Right.
Mm-hmm.
This is link. See, underline is
Yeah.
coming.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This is
Right.
not a link again. This is not link.
Mm-hmm.
This is nothing. This is just a wording. See,
Mm-hmm.
Right.
you can't click, you
Right.
can't do anything.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
This is also wording. So I think you guys are getting some idea on the components.
Yes.
So I want to test those components now.
Mm-hmm.
Now my one more question is,
Uh-huh.
Mm-hmm.
every time you will not get the link, you whatever the requirements like this, nobody will provide you. The founded requirement you will not find. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So how can you fetch by yourself?
Mm-hmm.
1 second. I'm checking for one register page where we will get all the details. This is only register, only mobile number they are asking.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let me go with some other applications. Facebook. So, see guys, I found something that you should enter some mail ID or mobile number valid.
Mm-hmm.
Let me enter
Right.
something. It will take time. It looks like you are entered a mobile number or mail ID. You entered a mobile number. Please enter your name. It means I entered, it is telling that you are entered your mobile number and email address. It means somewhat it is correct according to the requirement, according to the standard how they have developed. Please enter your name. It means why entered name as a what?
It's a
Numbers.
number.
So here, what I am telling you is, if you enter some data, wrong data, or what I can tell, kachada data, okay, that time it will suggest me the requirement.
Okay.
Since I don't have the requirement, if I want to fetch the requirement means I need to enter the data, unwanted data, or I don't know what to enter, something and all I will enter randomly. That time it will show me as an error message, this is the requirement, you should enter 3 to 5 alphabets. Okay, let me go with the Gmail. That time you will understand. I will teach you in a basic way. Okay, create account for personal use. See here, I will not enter the name. I'll click on next. So it is telling first name you have to enter. One I entered. Next. Oh boss, it is taking. Last one. Next. Month March 10, 1996. Gender male. Next. 1 @ Gmail. Sorry, username must be. See here.
Correct.
6 and 30.
Yeah.
Right.
It means some 6 to 30 I need to enter. It means what I'll do, 1Q something like this I entered. Next. It is accepted. So 1, 2, 3 I will enter. Confirm 1, 2, 3 I will enter. Next. Use 8 characters or more. Got it?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
Yeah.
This is what, sir, what you are teaching, sir, means I
Yeah.
will give you an example. See here, password.
Yeah.
Minimum 8, no? Where is the
Right.
8?
Right.
Yeah.
Here 8.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
But I don't know why it is not working. It is telling me that, oh, minimum 1 to 200, no? So it is accepting 1. Got it? So
Yes, sir.
according to the requirement, it is taking. See, observe. Last name also 1 to 200, it is accepted. Next, now this check availability button and describe login is not there, guys. Why? Because it is suggesting you here itself. Here itself, it is not available. It will suggest. So let me enter 1, 2, 3, 1 something more than 8. How many I entered? I forgot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. Please choose a strong password. Try a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Got it?
Yes, sir.
It is. So
Yeah.
I showed you requirement over here. Now
Correct.
your brain is working.
Yeah.
Previously, you were not aware of what is requirement. Now you are
Oh.
understanding, no?
Yes, sir.
According to this requirement, they have developed the software. So
Correct.
the software is working according to the requirement. Can I tell
Yes.
testing is pass? Testing is pass or fail?
Oh, testing is fail.
See here, the software, whatever the requirement is there, okay, minimum 8. Yes or no? I entered.
Yes,
And
sir.
I entered only a similar data, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, it means a simple data I entered. So it is telling, it is showing me some error message stating that, hey, choose a strong password, boss. Somebody may hack.
Yeah,
Try a
someone
mixture
will
of
hack.
letters, numbers, or symbols, something you try. It means it is suggesting me in a proper way, no?
Correct.
According to the requirement only, it is suggesting me, no?
Right.
So according to requirement, my software is working, no? If my software is all according to the requirement, if it is working, my testing is passed, no? It means already test engineers entered this type of data.
Right.
And they thought that 1, 2, 3, 4 is very small. A developer fix this issue. Show the customers that you should enter a mix of letters or numbers or symbols, something like that. Got it? Are you
Yes, sir.
understanding what I'm telling? That point,
Yes, sir. Yeah.
A points. Okay, I'm giving you some point where you can understand easy way. So let me add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. QWERTY. QWERTY. Okay, next. Again, it is telling that because I need to add the capital letter. A I added. A I added. Next. Now it will take.
Correct.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Why it is taking means minimum 3 I entered. No. See here, I am not entered the special characters, but still I entered one capital letter and remaining small letters. I entered small letters and 1, 2, 3, 4
Yeah.
like this. All small. It is fair. Fair means it is taking
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
because that already tested. Okay,
Correct.
already
Yes.
tested and released. Whatever the softwares you are seeing, no, all the softwares are tested, guys. All the
Right.
softwares are tested. Later only they have released.
Okay.
If the software is not tested and they have released means, then you can find many number of defects. Got it?
Yes,
Got
sir.
it?
Yeah.
Yes. So now you just write down heading requirement or understanding the requirement, something like that. You write.
Okay.
You just copy down this one. Test or develop the software. We must have the what a requirement. Got it? Now you just copy down this one. Just copy down. How to test I will teach you. That is different story.
Okay.
Now analyzing requirement is different story. Okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay. My mom will keep charging of mobile 24/7. If it is 98%, she will tell, hey, 2% charging is gone already. And she will remove my mobile of charging 8%, 10%, and she will put for charging. That is the crazy thing. Uh, if I talk, no, she will like a small baby. She will not talk with me for 1 day, 2 day. So this is what is going on. Okay. Yeah. So this you have written, no?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay. So let me teach you how to test the software now. Okay.
Mhm.
For that, I will take one more example so you will understand easily. Okay. So
Yes,
let
sir.
me take one bank application. Always requirement should be there. No? There will be a amount transfer page. Let me take. What is the page? Amount
Amount transfer page.
transfer. Why I'm taking amount transfer? There is a amount text field will be there. Amount text field. There will be first name, last name, username. First name, no. There will be from account number to account number, amount will be there. Okay. It means from which account to which account you are transferring the amount. So amount text field, the requirement says that it is a mandatory text field.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
And next, this is my application. I will give my own requirement. Okay. This is mandatory. It should accept only positive integers. Positive integers means what? Only positive values.
Yes, sir.
Next, it should accept one to 1 lakh.
Yes, sir.
It means I can transfer 1 lakh at one time.
Yeah.
Got it?
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
It should not accept space. Since I mentioned it should accept 1 to 1 lakh, no need of mentioning it should not accept alphabets, it should not accept characters, it should not accept something and all. Okay. Now I have given it should not accept space. Next, I will tell it should have a placeholder stating enter amount. Got it?
Yes,
So
sir.
this is the basic requirement I'm giving. Let me take this is amount transfer page. Getting sleep,
Yes, sir. Little bit.
little bit.
Yes, sir.
TRAN.
S. Yeah.
Okay. So there is a text field called as amount text field. I'm
Yeah.
just talking about amount only. Other text fields I am not caring. Okay. Since it is a text field, there is a box like this. Yes or no?
Yes,
There is
sir.
a placeholder.
Yeah.
Yes or no? What is the placeholder? Enter amount. So what is the time there?
Sir,
10:06.
10:06.
Okay. So if I have money, what I'll do, I will celebrate my birthday in India. Exactly 12 a.m. Then within 2 hours, if I assuming I have unlimited money, I have one flight, jet with me.
Okay,
What
sir.
I'll do, I'll take that and I will go to Dubai
Yes,
in 2
sir.
hours because there is only difference of 1.5 hours or 2 hours.
Okay.
There again I will celebrate 12 a.m. my birthday.
Yes,
Got
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
From
Yeah.
there I will take my flight and I will come to your place.
Yes, sir.
Again, that time again it will be 11 a.m. or something. I mean
Yes.
11 p.m. or something. Again
Yes.
for 12 a.m. again I will celebrate my birthday.
Yes, sir.
This is what we'll call it as a time travel.
Okay. Got it.
This is what your people, that Avengers, Infinity War, Endgame,
Yes,
all are
sir.
telling the
Yeah.
same story. Okay.
Okay. Yes, sir.
Uh, this is the story. Why I am telling is you are getting sleep.
Yes, sir.
Got it. Uh, Now let us go how to test this. As a test engineer, you got a software, guys. This is a software now.
Mm-hmm.
The software consists of what? There is a text field, amount text field. There is a enter
Enter
amount.
amount.
What is this placeholder? Now we have.
Mm.
Now what I will
Mm.
do? Always test the software according to the requirement.
Mm.
What I will do? I will enter 1.
Mm.
I will enter 20.
Mm.
I will enter 300. I will enter 5,000.
Mm-hmm.
I will enter 25,000.
Mm.
I will enter 70 rupees.
Mm.
I will enter 90 rupees.
Mm.
I will enter, so think big, sir. Okay, 99,000 rupees.
Mm.
I will enter 1 lakh also.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So what I'm doing, I'm entering the values inside the amount text field and I'm testing whether it will accept or not.
Yes, sir.
If my software is according to the requirement, if it is developed, means one will accept or
Mm.
none.
Yes, sir. It will.
It will accept
Yes.
Yeah.
this one will accept
Yes.
this one will accept
Yes.
this one will accept,
Yes.
this one will accept,
Yes, sir.
this one,
Yes.
this one, this one, this one, all will accept.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
So you are telling that, so now testing is done.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Now testing is done by because it is accepting all the values.
All the values. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
as a test engineer, if you do like this, testing, no, your
Mm-hmm.
company will fire you.
Mm-hmm.
Why it will fire means you are doing a functional testing. You should do thorough rigorous testing. Thorough rigorous testing
Oh,
means what? You have entered the positive values and you are telling that the testing is done,
correct.
means they will throw
Mm.
you out of the company. You should
Mm.
Mm.
test the software by entering the negative values also.
Negative values also.
How you can enter the negative values?
Mm-hmm.
The -1 I will enter, sir. Negative, sir. Minus
Mm-hmm.
means negative, sir. Negative 20, sir. I will accept, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Is it correct way I'm entering the values?
A minus means negative. Yeah.
Ah, ha, ha, ha. Dr. G.
Sir, for that requirement that you are checking is only for the numbers. So I think you should start from 0 and should
Okay.
go to 100,001 instead of 100,000.
Very good. So 0 is a negative value. The
Yes.
limit is telling that 1 to 1 lakh. So first, what if I try to send 0 rupees?
Yeah.
There is any 0 rupees exist? Let me check.
No.
$0 is exist. So I will
No.
enter that. It is making sense. No, negative. In your mind only 0 is negative is coming.
Yeah.
-1 is negative because I entered minus. This is
Mm.
common sense.
Okay.
But 0 is also negative because you are thinking that 0 is not a valid.
Mm.
Okay.
And she told 1 lakh 1.
Mm.
Why 1 lakh 1 means since the requirement is bounded till 1 lakh, I'm entering 1 rupee extra to check whether it will accept or not.
Mm.
If it
Okay.
is accepted means, it is a defect because the limit is saying that it should not accept, but it is
Yeah.
accepting.
Mm-hmm.
That
That is
means there is
defect. As soon
problem.
as you find a defect, it is not a problem. It is defect. Problem will come for human beings. Defect will come for software.
Computer software.
Got it? So use the
Yes.
technical words. As soon as you find a defect, what you need to do, immediately you should communicate that to whom? To the
Developer.
developers. What developer will do? Developer will open the source code,
Source code.
analyze the code, find the defect, fix the defect, and he will give the new software for the test engineers. Test engineers will go to the server. In the server, there is already a old software which I am testing. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. See, first I found a defect. I communicated defect to developers. Developers analyze the code, find the defect, and they will fix the defect. Later, they will do white box testing. I jumped this, and also Prerna is telling, you want to sleep, Prerna? It should
No,
be
sir.
every time perfectly. You should tell, okay?
Yes, sir.
Always after fixing the code, no, they will do white box testing, because
Yes,
fixing
sir.
one defect might affect one more defect, no, cause one more
Right.
defect, cause one more
Yes, sir.
defect. We
Yes,
don't
sir.
know. So what we need to do, we need to do white box testing. Later we should compile and compress into a new software. It means already old software is present in the server. We need to uninstall the old software. We need to install the new
New
software.
software.
After
Yes, sir.
installing the new software, you should again retest. Retest means same value should enter. As soon as you enter 1,01,001, it should show you error message. Hey boss, you can't transfer 1,00,000 rupee at one shot,
Okay.
because government is bounded. There is a rule. You should not cross that rule. Only 1,00,000 you can send.
Correct.
Okay. This
Yes.
also I have tested now.
Mhm.
Okay. Next, what I can do? Since my customer is only telling that it should not accept space, I will enter space box. I need to check according to the requirement. No, requirement says that it should not accept. Not accept means also a requirement. So I should enter and I should check. It should not accept means I am thinking, okay, it will not accept. Okay, testing is fast. Is that possible?
No.
No, always you should edit. You should do it manually and you should test.
Yes, sir.
I
Okay.
entered space and I clicked on submit button. It should show the error message. If it is not showing error message, again communicate to the
Yes.
developer. Sir, what do you mean by error message? I showed previously something. See,
Yeah.
red color. This is what we will call it as error message.
Yeah.
Similarly, it should show some error message stating that you can't send space,
Yes, sir. Yeah.
or blank amount cannot be sent. Something like that. You should show error
Correct.
message. Later,
Yeah.
I want to transfer 50 rupees. What I will do? I will do 100 divided by 2. It will go 50 rupees?
No.
No, right? Common
No.
sense. How it will go?
Yeah.
Next, I want to send 20 rupees. 10 into 2 I will do. You are doing mathematics instead of transferring the money. Is it possible? No.
Not, sir.
No.
No. I will tell 10 rupees transfer. 20,000 transfer. Possible,
No, doesn't work.
No. Why?
No.
Because
Because
these
it
are
is
the what?
There are letters.
Alphabets or letters. Okay.
Yeah.
Getting?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
So always I should test the software both in a positive point of view and negative point of view. In the positive point of view, the software should work. The negative point of view, the software should not work.
Not work. Correct.
Okay, this is what we'll call it as a software testing.
Testing.
So this is how I will test the component, that is amount. Got it? By entering enough number of positive inputs and also the negative inputs.
Negative inputs.
Enough. It means I should feel that, okay, now it is stable. Now I entered all the possible inputs. What if I enter the special characters? I want to check, no. Are you getting what I'm telling? I need to check
Yes, sir.
everything. All the
Yes,
possible
sir.
inputs I need to check.
Yeah.
But it
Yes,
should not accept those things.
Right.
Yes.
Got it?
Yep.
Yes, sir.
Yes, I think you understood this much.
We
I
Yes,
go
sir.
again deep, it will be a headache for you. So this is space. Now you copy this. Example for software or example for component testing. Right now. Write this so we can end up the class today.
Okay, sir.
And I am going outside, so evening class I will confirm you in the evening only. Okay. Before
Okay,
1 or 2 hours I will confirm.
Okay, sir.
So is there possible for you to send recordings, the old recordings?
Recordings. What I will do, I will upload in the YouTube. Later I will share. So few videos I already got it that I will share today. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So take the screenshot. No, better you write later.
Yes, sir. That's what I did.
Yeah, I did.
Done.
I did.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, then we can wind up the class over here. Okay.
Okay, sir. Yeah.
So tomorrow, what I'll do, tomorrow is very important class again, or today evening, there will be very important class. What I will do is, I will teach you some types are there, types of our functional testing.
Uh-huh.
Later, I will teach you how to write the test scenarios.
Okay, sir.
Scenarios is very, very important. In a company, what you will do, you will write the scenarios only. As a
Okay,
test
sir.
engine, what you will do, you'll write the scenarios and
Uh-huh.
also you'll convert into test cases.
Okay.
Okay.
This
Sir,
is very
are we,
important and I will teach this tomorrow.
sir,
Okay.
that means are we moving to the third step of SDLC, sir, in that case?
No, third step. We are already in testing phase. Design,
Yeah,
develop,
sir. So
requirement collection,
basically,
feasibility study, design, coding. In the testing, we
yeah,
are there.
yeah, yeah, we are in the testing phase. You're right,
Yes.
sir. Okay.
Yes, that is what I'm teaching. No.
Sir, just a minute. I think when we started the lesson, sir, in the beginning, I'm going back to, okay, sir. So manual testing course, the first was SDLC, second was software testing, then third was test case, fourth was test
No,
plan.
no. Test case
Yeah.
is a chapter that I will guide you differently. Now we are
Okay.
in the software testing only.
Okay. So this test case, test scenario is inside software testing. Got it.
Test
Got it.
cases is a detailed way I will teach how to write. Now
Okay,
test
sir.
scenarios detailed way I will teach.
Oh, sure, sir. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I will guide you if your class will be 6:30 in the evening today. It means
Okay.
for you morning 9 o'clock, I think, right?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
that's fine.
Okay. Or else after that 10 o'clock or 11 o'clock I will take.
Sir,
It means
in
6
the
to 7.
morning, in the morning, it's not possible for me for 10 o'clock, sir.
11 o'clock?
No, sir. Basically, my husband starts his work at 10:30. So my kid is
So what time you
sleeping.
will be available?
Sir, I'm good for 8:30 to 10 a.m. my time. 8:30 to 10
It
a.m. my
means
time, which is
4:30, 5 o'clock here.
no, sir. For you, it will be 6 p.m. in the evening
Mhm.
till
7.
7:30. 6
Okay.
to 7:30,
Okay,
like
okay, okay. If possible, I will teach you that time only. Okay.
Okay,
6 to
sir.
Okay.
7:30. No, I will
Yes.
Yeah.
share the link of the class so that you can attend. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
thank you so much,
Yes.
sir.
Yeah.
Thank
Okay. Then we
Thank you.
can
you. Yeah.
end up the class here. Okay. Bye
Okay, sir.
bye.
Yeah. Okay, sir. Good day. Good day.
Yeah.
Bye.
I have one question, sir.